filming a salsa video, and if any of y'all are paying attention to any of my videos, you'll know that I'm still wearing the exact same shit I was wearing in that one. So this is a back-to-back, but it's another one of our, I don't know, just because you're camping doesn't mean you have to eat like a savage. Now this one in particular was probably one of the easiest meals, and this is a lot more common of what we do out here. So one of the things we like to do just during normal life is we overcook a lot of shit. We cook way too much. It's just me and the wife and a couple dogs at home, and most recipes are for 4 to 5 people, and there's always leftovers. So depending on what it is, I'll freeze it, vacuum seal it, can it now because we're getting into pressure canning, or repurpose it and use it for something else. So the other day we cooked up 30 pounds of pulled pork, and our intent was to actually save it and vacuum seal and can a lot of this stuff for later use. Just fire up the smoker and let it roll. And so yeah, here's gonna be our next one. So one of the things that we did is we took some of the pulled pork. We have a little chamber vac, and we threw some of our favorite sauce in there with it, and we threw it in the freezer, and then we threw it in the camp freezer that's in the truck, sponsored by Falcon Overland. And then once we got out here, we went ahead and we got this little $35 thing. It's called a Hot Logic. These things are bitching. Get them on Amazon. They're $35. They run specials on them. You'll get them cheaper, around Christmas and whatnot. And basically what it is it's a hot plate inside a bag. And the easiest way to explain it is if you can put it in a microwave, you can put it in that bag. And we have one that I use for work, and I heat up my meals in it. Most of the time I put them in the little food prep trays, throw stuff in the freezer every morning, grab a lunch, and I have a hot lunch, and I'm not out spending money on nonsense, and I'm not eating junk food. So yeah, and here's the best part. They run on 12 volt. So we just plug it into the back of the truck, about an hour and a half, and we go from frozen to hot pulled pork. And there you have it. Everybody else can be out on the trail eating Lunchables, and we're eating barbecue pork sandwiches. Definitely not eating like a savage.